Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my little kitchen. Now, following on from my last upload, which was the air fryer chicken and rice recipe, today I'm going to be sharing this epic recipe with you. It is air fried chicken tikka masala. Yes, you saw it here first on my little kitchen, and I am so excited to share this with you because this is absolutely amazing. Now, before I try this and tell you guys exactly how it is, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your bell notifications on, share the recipes with your family and friends so the world knows about my little kitchen and its recipes and how amazing they are. And now I'm going to try this. Now, I've served mine up with some rice. You can have this with naan bread, you can have it with chapatis, parathas, you can have it with almost anything, but it is just amazing. So here goes. Oh. I honestly am so pleased that this recipe has come together because it was something that was, not even achievable when I thought about it, but it's here. I'm sharing it with you guys and it's wonderful. So I've just served mine up with some rice and now I'm gonna try the chicken. Super soft, fully cooked. Oh, look at that. There we are. And that is delicious. Absolutely amazing, juicy and moist chicken. The sauce is just with the rice. One thing to remember, I've kept my sauce slightly runny because I'm serving it with rice. If you wanted to thicken it up slightly, just reduce the amount of water that you add in. So I added in 6 tablespoons, you add in 4 tablespoons. It's as simple as that, but oh my God, guys. Need to get off camera to eat this one. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Share it with your family and friends, make it, enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below how you find it. And now we're going to run through the ingredients, so let's start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is 500 grams of chicken breast fillet cubed into medium-sized pieces. I have here 20 grams of shop-bought pre-fried onions. I use the Sapna brand of onions and this comes without the flour coating on top. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of double cream and 20 grams of salted butter. I also have here 60 millilitres, which is 6 tablespoons of boiled kettle water, and I have the following spices. I've got salt, coriander powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, which is going to add a really nice colour and flavour but not the heat, 1.5 teaspoons of dried tandoori masala, which is the Indus range that I use. I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of red and orange food colouring. You can leave the food colouring out, but again, this adds a really nice authentic. You can leave the food colouring out, but this adds a really nice authentic red chicken tikka colour to the dish. I've got here half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a frozen cube each that I use normally on my videos of ginger and garlic. Now, if you don't have this, then half a teaspoon of the paste of puree will work too. You also need a medium-sized disposable tray, which I purchased from Morrison's. So let's start cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cream and our butter and just set that aside because we don't need that until the end. And we're going to start by adding all of our ingredients apart from the butter and the cream into the chicken. So straight in with the pre-fried onions, the cumin seeds, the spices and the ginger and garlic, like that. And then we're just going to mix everything until it's nicely combined. So that's how the chicken looks. All the beautiful food colouring has transferred onto the chicken, and now all we're going to do is take our marinated chicken and transfer it into our foil tray, just like that, and just make sure you just flatten it because you want the lid to go on top. And then take your boiled kettle water and just pour that all over, pop the lid on, make sure it's sealed really nice and tight, like that. And now we need to preheat our air fryer to 200 degrees C and we'll come back to it once it's ready. Right, so the air fryer has now preheated, and all we're going to do is just carefully add our chicken tray in, like that. And we're going to turn our air fryer on, and we're going to cook this at 200 degrees C for 30 minutes. And I'll show you what you need to do after 30 minutes and how it looks. Right, okay, so the 30-minute cooking time is up, and I'm just going to remove the lid to show you. And this is how it looks. Whoa, smells amazing. And at this point, what we're going to do is we're just going to mix everything together like that. Oh, chicken is super, super soft. Look at the beautiful colour on that. Make sure you break up those chicken pieces. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add our cream. Just add that over like that. And then we'll just mix it in. Looks absolutely wonderful. Just mix that up. And then we're just going to take our butter and just add that straight on top, and it will just melt. And that's going to give it the most luxurious taste. And then just whack the lid back on again. Make sure it's securely sealed all the way around. And then pop it into the air fryer again for a further 5 minutes at 200 degrees C, and I'll show you how the finished product looks. Right, okay, so the 5-minute timer is up. I'm going to take the chicken tikka masala out, and I'm going to move my camera and zoom in and show you exactly how it looks.